All right, so this problem is question number 8 from the AP Classroom Unit 3 multiple choice problems. You can read the problem yourself. I'll go into the explanation right now. So we're trying to find g prime, oops, sorry about that. We're trying to find g prime of -8, and we're told that g is the inverse function of f. So I'm trying to find g prime of -8, which means I need to find g prime first. So g prime, we would use the formula for the derivative of an inverse, which is 1 over f prime of f inverse of x. And we're trying to find g prime of -8. So I'm going to plug in -8 for the x. Now, in order to complete this problem, we need to know what f inverse of -8 is. So if you look in the problem, they tell you that f of 4 is -8. So remember, inverses flip the domain and range. So f inverse of 8 is 4. So that tells us down here that this is 1 over f prime of 4. Now I could go ahead and take f prime and plug in 4, but if you look at the choices have f prime of 4 still in it. So the choice that matches this is B.